welcome back. I recently bought this tamarind from the brand Zoff. You might recognize this brand as it was featured on Shark Tank India. I have this 500-gram pack with me. MRP is 175, but I got it from Amazon for just 108 and it has 1 year of shelf life. Let's open the pack and take a look. Okay, so the tamarind looks very clean. There are no white or grey particles in this. Completely seedless, soft, and it has classic sticky texture. The color is on lighter side, and the best part is it's absolutely ready to use. So I always prefer washing my tamarind before using it. So just a quick wash and then I'm going to soak it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see the tamarind has puffed up beautifully, and now you can mash it and strain it. As you can see that the tamarind water has a very natural color, and there are no added artificial color or preservative in this tamarind, and you can use this water for sambar, idli, chutney, any curry. The tartness it gives is very natural, and if you taste a bit of it raw, it has that perfect mouth-watering sourness that we all love in Imli. Overall, for 108, half a kg, premium quality seedless tamarind, it's fantastic value for money deal and definitely worth a try. Subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.